Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to use remittance coupon to pay bills. While this is a general guideline related to this is not a specific guideline. Number 1. Gather necessary information. Remittance coupon. Ensure you have the coupon in hand. Bill or invoice. This will provide the exact amount due and any specific instructions. Payment method. Determine whether you will paying by check, money order or another method. In the second step, fill out the coupon. Account number. Carefully copy the account number from the remittance coupon onto your payment. Example check. Then reference number. If applicable, include the reference number on your payment as well. Then amount due. Write the exact amount you are paying on the coupon and your payment. Check for money order. Make sure the payment is made out of the PayP listed on the remittance coupon. Other methods following the specific instructions provided on the coupon or invoice. Enclose coupon. Place the remittance coupon along with your payment in an envelope. Mail or submit. Mailing address. If the coupon specify a mailing address, send the envelope to the address. Other methods. If the coupon indicate a different method, online payment, drop off, following those instructions. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.